Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you a very helpful fastening tool, Model 301 powder-actuated nail gun. This is the box for it. Let's see what's in there. Besides the tool, there's an instruction and some free accessories. Before we use this tool, we need to read the instruction carefully. This tool is used with its matched drive pins, PD drive pins, and S1JL powder loads. Okay, when we get them together, we just need to put the S1JL powder loads here and PD drive pin here. Then, make the tool vertical to the place where we want to operate. Push the trigger. We can see the construction work is done and it is very steady.